Biya Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel nirmala kenyam kana asin kontin ba lere me ba jeling lere ban ling gwasa me regadana chi tore wish kama ban kanti jenda na banaling gwad me sha commissioner sha je bokka bomten jena na bokon linkel kan kono ni amre lere kana me mi jira majidit ka Nuer online TV channel gore jen wojin der jen wa kana asin ko ken there subscribe ka there notification bell there twain ko there lere ti de kan chamala shu ko je gwasa dana pai kalarich gorno bi comment ki bicharo bija tobi mishi video chite gwicha bana chuwore ilar kama na ban link jan gwasme na me breaking news re wish kama ban county maban taping greater panel state maban taping greater panel state kate ka kware mroache en maban gwada mimen chirek tok tin chalado na chalado cha commissioner cha je book ka bom te karame kan ngach mishi county commissioner je je book re duare ka bom ke chaben ka gwada na te ka sheng an gwada ma sho bom che chu yor mishi bom yoro che bom che o mar dor wut kana mone wut dan la county commissioner jen chala do tele bon mishi jek dundo chala do jen shengan yam ko ba ramimo commissioner ba je donon en wo de janak Isaac Isaac Chol jen Kuäär Maban County Police Commissioner charaje no nena general cheben ka shwe bom la grenade chwe cho kan ka chwe yor dor kwaran chal ke Yohanes Tiop jen la acting commissioner dung do tele bon mi je ka do bana shalat ke ja ano chalan jen wo entem kumatin ko go Ramadan en chi county commissioner chaja denak ko name kanaman talk Isaac Shol Maban County Police Commissioner generally ga me kanaman talk ke taramshi mo no wala no de commissioner de janak ka kuje mo kuma ja gorka gora Ramadan en shi commissioner shi de nagre wichin winami ano shinetun wan gwasame chala do police ni katin gorka ramamo Ramadan en shi kwa de nak ano community ba katin bana gor ka Ramadan chi kwarchi de na ko chala do na me be je lonkan ma to ma bana no dong de kanon no bi ka kwaren bi kana nak dong da jen chenga nyam na me shif juma lagi a paramount ship kama ban kanti chewe che Ramadan an chiri ma che de lat jen che je kwet ber jen na me lan mi shoda lot ke lan mi je jen men che to ko commissioner jen mi shiro da lot mi jaga long jana kana matuok na kenyam ken matuok re duara kama ban che raj mo che jalak nona en la rejen o mishiro tuok antama che de we won yam re which kama ban county ko teleral mishimo tuok kwiko de commissioner de jamo keriek che raj mo che je kwen ga ta dan en chi rega me che order lat keje en ban je link to English. Unidentified assailant targeted the residence of the acting commissioner of Maban County in South Sudan, Upper Nile State, on Saturday evening in an attempted assassination. According to police and community leaders, Isaac Chol, Maban County Police Commissioner, said that the attacker threw a hand grenade at the home of Johannes Tiop, the acting commissioner, but no injuries were reported. The police are searching for the culprit who threw and detonated the grenade, Mr. Chol said. The incident occurred at around 9:15 p.m. on Saturday in Buny Town, the headquarters of Maban County. The acting commissioner was staying at the residency belonging to the county headquarters at the time, but is in good health and unharmed. Mr. Chol added that the security situation in the area remained generally calm, though police are working to investigate the motive behind the attack. He confirmed that authorities have swiftly responded to the scene and implemented security measures while pursuing the suspect. Chief Juma Lagi, the paramount chief of Maban County, condemned the attack, describing it as an unprecedented act in the area. What happened to the acting commissioner is unfortunate because such an incident has never occurred before at the native administration We condemn it in the strongest term possible, Chief Lagi said. He expressed relief that the acting commissioner was unharmed, attributing it to divine intervention. Chief Lagi emphasized that such incidents are alien to the local community, which he said has historically been peaceful. However, he highlighted the challenge facing the country due to the ongoing conflict in Sudan and its spillover impact on border areas like Maban. We don't have a commissioner appointed to take charge of the security situation in the country, so we call on the authorities to appoint one, Chief Lagi said. He accused certain groups opposed to peace of attempting to destabilize the country and noted that the absence of a permanent commissioner since the dismissal of Peter Alberto, the SPLMIO appointed commissioner, has negatively impacted security in the area. Gwada me commissioner nenyam me la commissioner shira me chido tema ala acting commissioner tema mentere wiki maban shi en query nyam arana spele mayo mo cha je wo duno ngoda kan ran kan na kwan kuni de kontre wujin wina mi ka do badana shira ko toga je men cha acting commissioner cha je de nekeje chala do gorne yo dene ko la jukume ka juba kire wi ka so Sudan de karamadana la commissioner men cha wo no walde kan gwara de kan kunran ko antama te lat ramadan ala commissioner ka kwire kam nana ci tok ngene no na me kan mo tok no wal ka shi mo ga en wo de ma ban county dare wo ka jen do mo ci ko raje mo ci kan kwen agenda na gore no de nywa ya kel ari ka dana ci tok ma ban county biate kamal